The global death toll from the coronavirus has surpassed the 1 million mark. It's an agonising milestone, according to the United Nations Secretary-General António Guterres. It's just 9 months since the first cases of COVID-19 emerged in Wuhan in China. Here, the head of the HSE has warned that we must adapt the way we live because we'll be dealing with the virus for a long time, even if a vaccine is developed. Well, this evening, the Department of Health has confirmed another 363 cases of coronavirus and said that one more person has died with the virus. In Northern Ireland, there were 320 new cases of COVID-19, which is a new record daily figure there. There were no further deaths.
9 months since COVID-19 first emerged, more than 1 million people around the world have now died with the virus. The figure comes from a Johns Hopkins University tally, but the true death toll is likely far higher. The United States has reported the most deaths, followed by Brazil, India, Mexico and the UK.
Our world has reached an agonising milestone. The loss of 1 million lives from the COVID-19 pandemic. It's a mind-numbing figure. Yet we must never lose sight of each and every individual life.
Today marks exactly 7 months since the very first case of COVID-19 was confirmed here in Ireland. It's also 6 months since the country's streets emptied and people were asked to stay at home. Since then, there's been more than 35,000 cases of the virus and more than 1,800 people here have died. Today, the Oireachtas Committee on COVID-19 heard that even if a vaccine is developed, Ireland will be dealing with the virus for a long time to come, and we must expect and plan for more waves of the virus.
A difficult winter season coupled with a resurgent in COVID is the worst possible scenario for health services. While this is an eventuality that we hope to avoid, it's also a scenario for which we have been carefully planning.
Tracing the spread and where it came from will be enhanced in the coming weeks, with new cases being asked to fill out a detailed questionnaire.
We have a questionnaire designed that goes into quite an amount of detail on the various different places and people that the case may have interacted with, and it also includes a diary that we take them through for the previous 14 days.
This evening there are 117 people with the virus in hospital and 17 people in intensive care. And while this number is much lower than the peak, the HSE warned the impact that even this level has on our hospitals is significant. Laura Hogan, RTE News.